You're up and running, baby. Got the Glock tapped, baby. We fucking shit up this game.
Put this in this dies.
Huh?
I don't know where. I'm just gonna set this in our spawn.
Yep. Just set it down to spawn and don't forget it.
I got pissed back up, so it's fine.
Wait, send me the link to this plate carrier. I want this. Yeah, bro. Fuck all that. Did you just clap yourself in the nuts?
No. Oh, I just shot the gun and it worked.
Oh.
And it's sweet, man. Especially on. Oh.
You like that? You like that?
I don't want to get an AR.
Whichever team has more time with the oddball at the end of the game wins. The oddball is going to be in the kill house. It can move around in between those four rooms, red, green, blue, or yellow. It cannot leave the kill house, though. You are allowed to shoot while moving it. You are not allowed to throw it. Again, whoever has more time and control the oddball, then the other team wins.
Alright, who is it now? Looks like a people what you mean. Who's it? You guys are an alpha, right?
Alright, the red team's going to Charlie, blue team's going to Alpha. Unlimited respawn. Get to the eyeball and keep control of it.
I know. I thought you shot him in the ass again.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, this holster's gonna bug the shit out of me just because I can't.
Not it, but it could be.
Just because I can't do this. Piff the gay ass dragon.
Is this what it feels like at big tips? Because that's all this weight in the front.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What are they with my gun? My AR, bro? I ran one, sword.
I gotta do that in this game since I have the pistol. I gotta slide now that I have the pistol.
I gotta hit myself in the nuts at least 4 times with this AR. It's just gonna happen. I'm gonna just sit there and then die.
I can expect the AR is dying on me.
Yeah. I can have to buy a new battery for this one. But I don't care.
I'm not even gonna do that out because it's gonna get taken.
With what?
Hey, help me hood again.
Oh my god. I don't have a holster.
Right here.
Hold.
Wait, this gotta be cinematic as fuck. This will be for the full house thing.
You gay ass dragon.
This might help.
Thank you. The ominous look over towards the ominous head turn towards the camera. Go, go, go! I am fast. What are you talking about? Go. That way. Go this way. Come in here.
Yeah,
Come
baby.
in this corner, goddammit.
Don't break my eyeball.
What?
Your armband's up.
Thank you.
There's a guy back. Cheater. Hey, there's a guy behind the counter.
That's fine. I have to pee.
Red team has control of the eyeball in the yellow room. Let's go, blue team, push them objective.
Hit! Dead man, dead man! That had to have been ricocheted, but I'm calling it. I thought Jacob team killed me. I don't know where I got shot from.
I got shot from the other side. Yeah, no, I'm not using this AR for the rest of the day.
Yeah, I wonder what the hell's wrong with it.
Retiring early, that's all I can tell you. Retiring early.
Woo! What the hell? Nice shot! That dude just hit my pinky finger and it was the only part of my body showing.
He fired him right in the neck. He couldn't take it, but I had to take a point from the film shit, man.
Alright. Let's take the route we started off with, but slower. Follow me. Go, go, go. Hit! Dead man. There's one. There's another one. Dead man! Dude, he did not have to shoot that many times. Woohoo! That shit hurt, bro. Yeah, he did not have to shoot 12 times. Holy. Whew. Oh, that's your gun.
Yeah, Big Two's done with it.
Fuck it, let's flank.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. They're expecting everything from left.
Somebody go to that door out there and swing it. Push parallel with me. No, you go with him. You two push parallel with us. Go, go. That's what I'm trying to do. Are you red right there? On the orange wall, are you red? Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. think my battery's dying.
If it does it again,
I'm sorry, Jake.
if it does it again, next time you die, when you go to
Red team has control in the yellow
just grab
room.
one off the
Red team has control in the yellow room.
red guy coming in.
Red? Hunter, we got this, dude.
I know. I'm taking heavy car. Dead. Oh, wow. Dead man.
Red or blue? Oh, damn, that's totally on the... Okay.
Blue team has taken the oddball. Blue team has taken the oddball.
That's it. I shouldn't have fucking hesitated. Damn it! Getting out, sorry. Huh? This is my first game ever using a tapped pistol. I'm like 15 pounds lighter, dude. I'm like 20 pounds lighter, I feel like.
The first time I used one, it made me buy the setup.
This is my Glock with my friend's tap setup. I'm about to do it. None of those hit me. Red or blue? I got a tracer.
You got it. Hey, blue team, you got it.
Okay.
You got it over there in the green.
Yeah, I saw it. Bang, bang.
Good shit, man. Good shit. I'm good. My fault. I'll get out. That was off the wall. Piff! Gay-ass dragon, come here! Piff, you gay-ass dragon! Fuck you. Dude, I got a tracer. Like... This is my new favorite part of the map. My battery's dying. That's like the 4th time it's done it. did not hit me. You scared. You could have got me, man. You.
I'm already.
Hey.
Well, he didn't shoot me or anything.
Hey. Next time, take that shot next time, because you'd have got my ass.
No. This is how I know. Wait, what the fuck? Where's that ammo?
Nice.
Where'd Oddball go?
Red team has control of the oddball in the green room.
Green.
Red team has control of the oddball in the green room.
Yep.
Red team has control. Red team has control.
Oh, nice shot. Nice shot. That was a good one. Dead man. Dead man. My bad.
Red team has the oddball in the green room. Red team has the oddball in the green room. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
You just cost me a lot of fucking money. I gotta buy a tap setup now. What?
Blue shirt.
Huh?
I came up behind him, shot him 3 times in the foot here, shot his
Dude.
friend 3 times. When it's in the back, they think it's a friend.
My fault, Jake.
And he goes, 3 shots, really doesn't take 3 shots. I go, are you bitching about 3 shots?
Somebody's got to put a kill counter on this. I'm willing to bet you I'm 15-3 right now. Come with me.
I'll say, dude is real big, but he's a play kid.
I've done this 4 times in a row. Just speed walked through the bus. Hit! I gotta buy a fucking tap setup now. I gotta buy a tap setup now.
It's so much fun. It is.
Yeah.
You know what's even more fun? Here, watch this. Connect that shit real quick. I'm gonna show you something interesting that I still do.
Oops,
You're
my
good.
bad.
Literally no air. Watch this.
You want the mag too?
So like, yeah, you can do that all you want, but if you're really fun, you can.
What the fuck?
What
you
the
can
fuck?
You just bump fire it.
That's nuts.
Oh yeah, I would walk around the corner like this.
He just cost me a lot of fucking money because I gotta buy one now.
Dude, they're so much fun. They're so much fun. When I bought mine, I blew up my fucking Glock. Well, I fucked up 4 Glocks in the span of 2 weeks because I like to take them apart.
Yeah.
So don't do that. But it's so much fucking fun.
The only thing I've done to this, I actually won this at a lock-in giveaway here.
Oh hell yeah!
The only thing I've done to this is put a barrel on it with threads.
Exactly. So you're good.
Whew. Oh, my bad. I can 100% promise with 1,000% guarantee that this is going to be the most fun you've ever had playing Airsoft in your life.
I want to try it. Dude, the freaking...
Walking around with